Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Axon 30 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find the password and security. Now in this highlighted section we've got the fingerprint, so let's tap, and this is actually the very first step of adding the fingerprint, which may be quite confusing because here we have to add the screen lock. Of course, if you've got one currently set, then you will be transferred to another step directly to adding the fingerprint. If not, you really have to do it right now. It is important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern PIN or password, whatever option you will choose. What's also more important, you will not be able to add the fingerprint without the backup pattern or PIN or password. So basically you really have to choose the additional screen lock. So I will pick the pattern. Now let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. And now let's tap on register, and as you can see, here we've got the sensor, the fingerprint sensor. So all we have to do is to simply put our finger on it, and right now we have to do it multiple times. So put your finger and release, and of course in order to add our fingerprint fully, okay, now we have to unroll the edges of our fingerprint. So let's say the smaller part, and again it is of course for better recognition. Okay, finger moved too fast. Just take your time. You don't have to do it fast. Alright, and we just successfully added the fingerprint, so let's tap on OK. And here we've been transferred to the fingerprint management, so the options connected to the fingerprint. At the very top we've got the fingerprint 1, which is the fingerprint we just added. As you can see, after tapping on it we can rename it. So let me rename it. We can remove it also. So let's tap on save. Here we can add another fingerprint, and here we can confirm the fingerprint. So this is, let's say, kind of a test. And after tapping on it, if we will have much more fingerprints added, as you can see, we can add up to 5 fingerprints. They will be listed right here, and after putting particular finger, your device will simply highlight the fingerprint which is saved here. So that's quite cool. Here you've got the functions, so you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. You can use it for unlocking your phone, and this option is currently and defaultly turned on. You can show fingerprint icon, you can decide if you want to do it or not. You've got the fingerprint animation style, so you can just tap on it, and here you can check available options and just pick the one you like the most. Let me leave this one, for example. Just tap on it and get back, and here you've got the simple touch, which simply means that you can use your fingerprint to open a bound app when the screen is off or locked. So you can simply add particular app to a fingerprint. So it's up to you. As I said, you can customize it just like you want to. But let me check if it is actually working. So let me lock the device, and let's check if the fingerprint sensor will appear right here. Not really. Let me put my finger somewhere here, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.